Welcome to this episode of Top Gear. Tonight, Hamster falls from a motorbike, Jennifer breaks a speed record, and I unbox a very special item from the Amazon. So let's begin. So this is the package I was telling you about. I ordered it from Amazon and got it from the Royal Mail 24 service. And it was really quick because I dwell in India and it was delivered to me within a week from the release date. I love the speed. And as you can see, it costed me around £18, including the shipping across 7 oceans. Well, now, my lovely subscribers and you, my new viewer, I'm gonna ask you a very simple question, and as soon as the question ends, I'm gonna need an instant answer from you guys. Okay? So what is the format, a standard format of a trailer for any entertainment production that is yet to be released? So the answer would be a video format, right? Like MP4 and AVI, etc. Yes, you are absolutely correct. But for the first time ever, Amazon has brought out the trailer of an upcoming popular series in the format of a book. Yup, you heard it right, and this is the book you're seeing me unbox. So let's check the packaging slip for a second or two, shall we? Pagauri Focusia. It worked. Now, I pre-ordered it on 3rd October, it was released on 5th, and I received it on 13th October in India. And here it is. Miss May, Jennifer and her Hammond. Coming to its review, it's a hardcover 272 pages book about the Grand Tour and the facts about the places where they've been and how it was all created, with behind the scenes and close insights on everything the trio did, plus the preview of the season 2. Now it's not at all a linear reading book. You can read it from wherever you want, whenever you want, and it's a fun every time you pick it up. It's the only book which was written by not only one but all the 3 presenters. Now as you can see, the quality of the paper is really top of the gear. It's not like those magazine plastic pages, it's authentic. Now these are the places where they've been, and you can see the Asia is neglected here because they have not been here on season 1 and not in season 2. I mean, they should have come to India at least. We have a great following here of the trio. I know Jeremy has been here more than 3 times, but only 1 time he has showed India in a Top Gear special. Now it's time for a Grand Tour special too. Now this basically shows how the trio met again and ventured a new TV program. And yeah, this book is really impressive with its posters, interactive quizzes and puzzles, and guys making fun of each other. Now this is what you've been waiting for, the series 2. Now these are the trio with 3 Jags. 2 are XJ and the 3rd one is XJS. Now Hammond playing with a tank, no biggie, with that budget. And he's doing a donut on a golf course in Dubai, that too not a biggie. And yes, the cheap car challenge is back and we're gonna love it. And Hammond riding a bike. Claudio, as you can see there. Do you remember Oliver from Africa Special? Yes. Now that's Aerial Nomad, and at the back is Salt, remembering that earlier this week the trio were at Salt Lake District for a speed record of some kind. So let's see what's that. And Croatia, a plane with water fuselage, and a priest for some reason, I don't know. And Switzerland, the 3 cars of past, present and futures battle it out in the mountains. Now watch this.
Watch this.
He's gonna die. And that's gonna be fun. Now, as you know, these are rear-wheel drive cars. They are not too good with the snow, so I guess that's the challenge. That's some airtime. Now, they have also filmed in Spain and New York, for your fact matter. Now, I'm gonna show you an exclusive clip.
Got ourselves a race here. It's time now to bring out the smug face.
And the trailer, the main trailer.
Holy mother of God.
See the drop,
Just an
man.
ordinary drive.
It's in case I need to bail out.
Oh my God.
Well, stop!
Oh, that's Nevada, for sure. And that's Chiron,
Good to be back.
and Mozambique, Colorado, Switzerland, 3 cars with the trio.
Listen to that.
Mozambique, Chiron, Switzerland,
That's nice.
Mozambique.
Ready? Watch this.
Yeah. Do you want a hammer, Jeremy? Oh yes, it has started.
There you go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Amanda's fallen from a bike.
Okay, you're not
Amphibious
on
car.
seriously. We're gonna have to work as a team. How hard
Mozambique.
can it be? Sorry.
Bugger off.
Bugger off.
Let's do this
Oh my
properly.
God.
Come on.
Do you realise that could result in your death?
For sure. Aerial nomad. Some beautiful curves. Desert. Fun. What can I say? Wow. Switzerland.
This is important work. It is.
Yep, it is. Well, it's coming on 8 December, less than a month to go. And by the way, do you know Mike's skin from the post? So yeah. Well, if you like the trio and love cars, you must have this book. Because many a times, this is a factual book, but most of the time, it's pure British comedy. This book will get you through your hard times and will let you make new friends. How? Well, for example, you're at an airport or a public place, you're reading this book, you'll naturally attract like-minded people to you, and you're gonna have a blast of a conversation street. And this book has an unpolitical way of seeing the world, just like our Jeremy. That's why I love it. And at this point, I wanna appreciate 3 presenters' hard work and determination to bring season 2 on time. Else, after Hammond's 2 crashes, it would have been postponed to a year or so. So, thumbs up. Now, if you're gonna buy this book, link is gonna be in the description box. It will be the cheapest online. And now, hellas, take good care of yourselves. Until next time, goodbye.